how to convert papers to patterns, paper grains to patterns in Painter. Now, first thing to do, just have the panels, the various panels like there. You've got papers and you can see the patterns there as well. What you need to do, I'm just going to select one of these patterns there. You've got the pattern there. The key thing here is the size, and the size here is 158 by 158. Could of course be 1000 by 1000. Just set up a new image with that file and new, and then obviously just go and select the pattern again there in the paper section. Click OK with that size. You've got 158 by 158. Now what you want to do is actually fill it with something, and one of the best ones maybe is just go to Effects and Express Texture and use the paper there, using paper, set the grade threshold, and when you're happy with that, click OK. So there you've got the actual grain tile, paper tile. Now, see media control panels and patterns. You can just see there. What you can do, you can just go right side and there's a capture pattern, I should say, and give it a name and just click OK, and there it is. You've got your pattern. Why would you do that? Well, the reason is there's a couple of commands that actually don't have a grain option or pattern. It's a pattern option, but no grain option. And one of them is Esoterica and Pop Art. But there's a few others as well. So just go down to, you've obviously got current there when you're using for Pop Art, and you've got original luminance. And you can see the pattern that I've actually just previously defined from a paper. So you can obviously change the contrast, you can change the scale, and once you've done that, you can click OK. And then you've got your Pop Art effects. But there are others, like I say, there's a few other ones. You can obviously use fade at this point so you can see the original design. So now I'm just going to show you one of the other ones. You can just go to Surface Control. Of course, Surface Control, you've got Apply Surface Texture. That actually has got a grain, well, paper one there, you can see paper. But you can use original luminance as well. And that's obviously the same equivalent of the pattern there. And paper, previously paper. There's also, I'm just going to go to, again, Effects and Esoterica and Blobs. And that's another one that's actually got patterns and not, for some weird reason, paper grain. So you've got patterns there. So you can see the actual pattern being used there. Hope you found that of interest. Thank you much.